An Illinois judge has just ruled that Donald Trump should be kicked off the ballot in the state. The judge there in Illinois writing that Trump is not eligible to be on the ballot because of his actions on January 6th. That makes Illinois the third state, along with Colorado and Maine, to use the 14th Amendment's insurrection ban to remove Trump from the ballot. Of course, that 14th Amendment case in Colorado is in front of the Supreme Court as I speak, waiting for a decision. Caitlin Polans is out front with more on this breaking news. And Caitlin, the thing about Illinois is we're sitting here talking about a major decision on immunity from the Supreme Court. And out of left field comes this ruling from Illinois. This is a surprise move. What is the Illinois judge saying?
It is. This is about Donald Trump and his ability to be on the ballot as a candidate because of what he did in the 2020 election, after that election, and on January 6th. This judge in Cook County, Illinois, is writing quite clearly her decision here that the Illinois State Board of Election shall remove Donald J. Trump from the ballot for the general primary election on March 19th, upcoming in a couple weeks, or cause any votes cast for him to be suppressed. Now, Aaron, Donald Trump's team is going to need to move quickly to appeal. That is the first thing that's laid out here. They have 2 days, according to this order, to get everything paused, having him removed from the ballot or having votes in the March 19th primary not counted for him.
Great defenders of democracy have now kicked Trump off another state ballot. Of course, this happened in Cook County, and Illinois Circuit Judge Tracy Porter has ruled that former President Trump is disqualified from the state's March 19th primary ballot and the general election over the, quote, anti-insurrection clause. Joining me now is Saul Weisenberg, former deputy independent counsel and Fox News contributor, and also back with us because of this breaking news, David Schoen, former Trump impeachment attorney. Saul, this never ceases to amaze me, but as all of these individuals are screaming about Russian election interference, Navalny is persecuted, all these political prisoners across, and now they need to knock him off the ballot. So no one has the opportunity to vote for him. Your reaction tonight?
Well, the arrogance of this is appalling, and waiting until this late in the day to do it, giving the former president, just until Friday to file an appeal to the Supreme Court. It's already Wednesday. And then to say, apparently at the end of it, she issues an order that says my ruling will be further stayed if the U.S. Supreme Court enters an opinion inconsistent with this order. Well, guess what? If they do what most people think they're going to do, they're going to enter an opinion that makes it impossible for Illinois to take him off the ballot. So the arrogance of that is just, it shouldn't astonish me, but it does.
Yeah, Tracy Porter, a Democrat appointee, joined the bench in 2021. Very, very liberal. Cook County is known for these type of judges. David, 31 states in total now have sued to kick the former president off the ballot. All right. Again, I want to repeat to everybody, as the Democrats are claiming they're running Joe Biden for re-election to protect democracy. They have to defeat Trump to protect democracy. OK, all 3 have been successful. Those states in red, Maine, Colorado, and now Illinois. How is this democracy, David?
We have breaking news tonight. A judge in Illinois has disqualified former President Trump from appearing on the state's Republican primary ballot. Cook County Judge Tracy Porter cited the 14th Amendment's insurrection clause in her ruling, ordering the state's election board to remove Donald Trump based on his actions on January 6th. Illinois is now the third state to disqualify Trump from 2024 primary ballots. The others are Maine and Colorado. As of right now, though, all 3 of these disqualifications are on hold pending a Supreme Court decision that could come down any day. Judge Porter acknowledged as much in her ruling tonight, writing that she knew her decision could not be the ultimate outcome. Now, whenever the court rules on this issue, it is sure to be considered in light of tonight's news that the court will now take up the question of presidential immunity in Jack Smith's federal election interference case.